Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how to verify your account on Affirm. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in affirm.com and press enter. You will then be taken into the official Affirm website where you can log into your account by clicking on the login button at the top right corner. Now, if you haven't signed up already, click on the sign up button at the top right corner as well, and you will be able to create your new account. Now, whenever you create a new account, from the sign up page using your phone number, you will need to enter your phone number and then click on the continue button. Once you click on continue, you will receive a code within your email which you will need to type in within the next page. Once you type in the code and proceed forward, your account will officially be verified. In case you're signing up for a business account, click on the business sign up page underneath the continue button and then you will be asked to enter various details. After entering your first and your last name, followed by your business email, your website, your country, and other business details, you will need to click on Get Started, after which you will receive a confirmation email within your business email address. Just click on the link within the email and your account will officially be verified for the business account as well. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to verify your account with Affirm. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.